Hi everyone, today me and my dad together feel like we want to take photos outside. So we are going to make a camera and then we will take our camera and take each other's photo. Let's start. First, draw a huge circle like this. And in there, draw another circle. Now, draw a line like this. Now up and left. And on the same thing, do the same thing, I think. Yeah. But make it shorter. Draw a circle like this. Like that. And now, draw another one around. Like that. Now draw a line in there. I bet this is the button and then this will light up and then it'll take your photo. I know that because one of my uncles have a camera. And the line like this after you have a bump like this. Now a line like this. This looks like it's here. It's not. And now another one in there. Now it must slide like this. And then down like this. Next, draw a line like this. And then a line like this. We're done. It's time to color now. Usually cameras are black, but in drawings we can color them any colors. I want to keep it clear. For that, I'll use my blue and color it light. Okay, I'm almost done. Now I'll put this down. I wonder what this is what for. I feel like it's its ear, but it's not. Oops. I need to look at this one. Okay. Now I'm on to my next color. I really want to use this one. I need my next color now. I'm making mine colorful. Like a rainbow, but not in the same order. laughing at this name. It's Bubbly Blue. I mean, I thought it was Bubby Blue, but it's Bubbly Blue. That is the wearing thing, you know. You don't have to lift it, just wear it on your head. And you can take the photo. Now, I'm going to take this color. Oops. This color doesn't work. I'll use this color. Alright. I need my next color. I finished all the colors. Let's still use this one. They're the same. Now we're going to go out and go take pictures. Kitty, bye!